Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I am Kat and I make a lot of videos related to luxury, lifestyle and fashion. Today I'm going to be doing two unboxings and it's from Hermes, and if you haven't seen my part 1 of my Chanel unboxing, I will just link it down below. You probably can guess, I've already removed the ribbons and all that. I was really so excited when I got this piece. I was really hunting it down. I was like just stalking the website, and when I chanced upon this one and they actually had my size, and I was like messaging my SA and I was asking her, hey, is this in stock? And it happened to be actually at the MBS boutique. So I typically shop at MBS, and yeah, typically I don't really go to any other boutiques in Singapore for Hermes. It's not a bag, but it's a footwear. This is my Santorini sandals, and it's in black, it's in Epsom leather, and I've already had it resold. So it is in 41.5. So anybody who knows anybody who actually has a big feet size, let me know. But just imagine, right? I mean, and anyone who has like wide feet, especially like a bunion, go for the Santorini sandals from Hermes. The cost per wear is amazing. I love to wear sandals, I love to wear flats, and I don't really like to wear like heels. So this really just works out perfectly for my lifestyle. And personally, this goes really well with my Lindy bag. So I just feel like, why not? And I would get the cobbler to resole the sole, this two areas. Scrolling through the website at night when I was pumping milk for my child in the middle of the night, and I was like, okay, I was looking like 2 weeks ago there wasn't any colors available in my size, and I just chanced upon my size like in the website. I've got a white one already. I could actually fit a 40.5. So when I saw 41.5, I was like, okay, great, awesome, and I got it. It's like the only one in the store. Really is very comfortable. I don't get any blisters wearing this. Anybody who don't know, there are different prices to different models of Santorini sandals. So this one actually costs $1,150, and this is called the sandal Santorini in Epsom in Nora, which is black. Lasts so long, cost per wear, can't go wrong with full-on flats. And oh yes, Oran sandals are just too narrow for me. I've tried like the bigger size and it just doesn't fit. So anybody who has big feet, bunions, or like wider feet, just go directly straight to Santorini sandals. Right, so moving on to the second unboxing. I have already used this piece, guys, and I took it out today actually to use it. This is a mini Evelyn in gold on gold hardware. I feel like I could use this when I'm just really casual outfits. It's really an informal looking bag, and that's what I really love about this. I don't think that I will get like a bag insert, but let me know what you think. Even though it's like unlined, it is in great condition as usual. It's made in France, and I'll show you like where the tag is. Very first time when I stepped into the Hermes boutique store, the SA that's currently serving me, she actually pulled out a very huge Evelyn bag, and it was like the largest size, and I was like, I had to decline it because I know that, man, I'm not gonna use it. Although I was very tempted to get it because she pulled it out from the box. It was brand new, nobody has seen it, no one has opened it, and I was like, okay. And I was like with my friend, but I just didn't decide to get that piece because I feel like it's not really the piece that I want. Just to let you know, I got this piece through a reseller, so it wasn't from the Hermes boutique. The sandals actually was from the boutique. To each your own. Like for me, I'm really open to just going with the reseller and just hunting down bags that I really like in the color combo that I like, instead of just waiting for years or months in the boutique and just wait to be offered a bag, probably a bag that I don't really like in terms of like the color combo. So a lot of people might think, okay, you know, why not just wait for the bag in the boutique, because it wouldn't be so expensive, and resale market's probably like double the price. The price of this bag is 2008 Singapore dollars, but I paid 3,950 Singapore dollars, so it was definitely a little bit of a premium for this color combo, which is perfect because I just wanted exactly this color combo instead of just waiting and waiting and waiting to be offered this bag from the store, which is going to take me years. So I don't have years, and if I want it and if I have the means to get it, I'll get it. I don't really have any qualms about this bag except I think probably I would need to get a bag insert for this because it's really unlined. My Chanel wallet inside, it's my handphone, it fits my tissues, so it pretty much can actually fit quite a lot of my essential items. I don't really carry a lot in the first place. I've got my lipstick as well, and that's it. This is it. This is how it looks like. It just goes so well with this. It's beautiful, it's cute. Love this. I'll just use this crossbody, and something about this strap is that it cannot be adjusted. It's literally sitting just nice on my hip area. So that's it, guys. You know what colors you're eyeing, especially like a mini Evelyn, or like what's that next bag that you're eyeing from Hermes? I would be really keen to know. I know that there's a lot of new colors that's going to be released for 2022. A lot more neutral colors are coming. And that's it for my unboxing, and if you enjoy such videos, remember to subscribe because I make a lot of videos related to luxury, lifestyle and fashion. Next few videos is going to be a little bit more on reviews and what's in my bag, or things that I'm using, bags that I'm loving, and bags that I'm thinking about selling as well. So stay tuned for more. Bye!
Should've told you